Let's take a look at finding the terms of an arithmetic sequence when we're given a general formula. So it says find the first four terms. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go ahead and plug in my 1. Now this is arithmetic, which means that there is something called a common difference. It means there's a common difference between the terms, such as, like, for instance, 2, 4, 6, 8, on and on. In other words, they're adding 2. Whenever you're adding or subtracting some same number, then that's the common difference, and that means that the sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so it's adding or subtracting the same number between each term. Okay, all right, so here we have a arithmetic sequence, and we're going to find the first four terms. So we're going to place a 1 where the n is, and here we go. The first term is 5. That's going to be 0, so it's just 5. A sub 2, 2 minus 1, negative 2. So a sub 2 is going to be 5 plus negative 2. That's a 1. And a sub 2 is going to be a 3. Okay, we'll go with a sub 3. It's going to be a 5 plus 3 minus 1 times the negative 2 at the end. A sub 3 is 5 plus negative 4. And a sub 3 is a 1. That's a 2, and that's why it's plus a negative 4. Let's take a look at one more. A sub 4, 5 plus 4 minus 1 to the times negative 2, A sub 4 is 5, that's a 3, plus negative 6, and a sub 4 is negative 1. So there are the first four terms. Now, let's take a look at this same problem, but it's now asking us to find the 30th term. So what in the world does that mean? That means that we're going to jump straight to the 30th one in the row, and it would be written this way: a sub 30, because everywhere we're going to put 30 for n. Okay, so a sub 30, 29 times negative 2. We get plus a negative 58, and we get a sub 30. The 30th one down the line is going to have a value of negative 53. Alright, so that was pretty simple. So if they're asking you for the first four, you're going to go 1 through 4. If they ask you to skip to a certain one, you put that number in for the n. Alright, thanks for watching.